Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is IISc develops bacteria-based moon bricks. Recently, researchers from the Indian Institute of Science have developed an innovative bacteria-based technique for repairing bricks used in lunar habitats, addressing the challenges posed by the moon's extreme environment. This method eliminates the need for transporting building materials from Earth, reducing mission costs and complexity. The technology also supports the long-term goal of creating a permanent lunar base for scientific research and future Mars missions. As NASA aims for sustainable lunar exploration, this bacteria-based approach could play a key role in ensuring the durability and sustainability of structures on the moon. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April, while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Key points. The moon's harsh environment features extreme temperature fluctuations ranging from 121 degrees Celsius to minus 133 degrees Celsius, leading to potential cracks in bricks over time. To address this, the IISc team utilized lunar soil or regolith combined with a soil bacterium called Sporosarcina pasteurii to create a durable, eco-friendly brick-like material. The bacterium converts urea and calcium into calcium carbonate crystals, which bind the soil particles together, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional cement. The reinforced bricks withstood temperatures from 100 degrees Celsius to 175 degrees Celsius, showing impressive durability. The bacteria-based process is designed to mitigate the challenges of constructing habitats on the moon, which would otherwise require transporting materials from Earth. NASA's Artemis program. NASA's Artemis program aims to return astronauts to the moon by 2025, creating a sustainable lunar presence as a stepping stone for Mars exploration. Key milestones include Artemis 1 uncrewed test, Artemis 2 crewed orbit, and Artemis 3 lunar landing. The program also involves building the Lunar Gateway, a space station for future missions. NASA's Mars missions like Perseverance continue to explore the planet's potential for human habitation. The Artemis program and Mars missions are vital for testing space travel technologies. These missions emphasize international cooperation, including partnerships with ESA, CSA, and JAXA. Now it's time for the practice question. What temperature range can the reinforced bricks withstand? 50 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius to 175 degrees Celsius, or 200 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.